All right, we placed our pineapple rings into our greased Christmas pan. Now I'm going to add my maraschino cherries right in the center of each of our pineapple rings for this super easy and delicious holiday dessert. Now I'm coming in with my light brown sugar, and we are gonna sprinkle our brown sugar right on top of our cherries and our pineapples. This is gonna be so yummy and so easy. You could honestly make this super quick before any holiday guests come over, and they will be wowed by the presentation. I think a lot of you probably can guess what we're making, but it's how we do it that makes this so special and so great for the holidays. So we want to make sure that we have at least a half a cup of brown sugar, because that's what's going to caramelize those delicious pineapple rings. Beautiful. And I saved some of my pineapple juice, so we're just gonna do a little bit of juice right on top. Not too much, just kind of get that brown sugar nice and wet. Perfect. All right, that looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna put that to the side for now and bring in a big bowl and a whisk. And I have here the most delicious Duncan Hines Pineapple Supreme cake mix. You can use a yellow cake mix if you don't want to do a pineapple cake mix or you can't find it, but I personally love this cake mix because it just brings that pineapple flavor to the next level. And we're not following the instructions on the back of the box. We're gonna grab some Sprite because we're gonna make a soda cake, and we have 2 cans of our small Sprite. And we're gonna use about 1.5 of our small cans, and then we're gonna drink the rest because who doesn't love Sprite? But the great thing about these soda cakes is you don't need egg, you don't need oil, all you need is some soda and a box of cake mix. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk this together. It smells absolutely fruity and delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to see this end result. All right, this looks like it's already fully mixed and ready to go. I'm telling you guys, it smells so delicious.
So delicious.
And I forgot to mention, but you can't really taste the Sprite in our Sprite cake. You can only really taste the pineapple, just if you guys were worried about that. But we're placing this right into our Christmas tree pan. And this is one of those metal Wilton holiday pans. I absolutely love it. I've had it for years now and it never disappoints. Grab our spatula so that we can get all of that delicious pineapple cake batter into our pan. Use our spatula to kind of just get that from edge to edge.
It looks so fluffy.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be super fluffy. I love soda cakes for that reason. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for about 50 minutes. Oh my, this looks so good. All right, it is time to flip this. All right, we're gonna let that sit. All right, we ready?
I think so.
Oh my, that looks so cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
All right, I'm gonna cut this piece right here. I don't need a full pineapple. Oh, the cake is perfectly cooked.
Look at that, wow.
Yum! Unfortunately, I did forget to get some Ready Whip when I was in the store, so you're gonna have to eat this one naked.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That is incredible.